Scatter plots, really quickly reviewing scatter plots. Scatter plots are, again, a bunch of data points plotted on a graph so you can see trends. There's three different types of trends. Either it has a positive trend where it tends to go up to the right it tends to go up as you go to the right. There's a negative trend where it's tending to go down as you go to the right. Or there's this chaos of the last one, which is there's really no correlation, right? It's like not going positive or negative at all. The other thing that we can say about scatter plots, well, there's actually a couple, but I'm just going to review really quickly. The other thing we can say about scatter plots is if it's a weak or a strong correlation. So let me go ahead and do some examples of weak and strong. With a weak correlation, so let's do a weak positive correlation. A weak positive correlation would be something that looks kind of like this. Like, yes, it's going upwards, but the points are kind of spread all apart. So this one is a weak one, right? Yeah, it's going up, but they're all kind of pretty spread apart. The other possibility is if you have a strong one. So let's go ahead and do a strong negative. Strong negative, oops. Want the bigger points so you can see them. Would be something like this, like, ooh, see how those are actually pretty close to making a nice line? The closer it is to a line, the stronger it is. Even though has like this one on the left has a positive trajectory, it's pretty weak. It's pretty scattered, right? This one over here on the right, though, has a very strong negative correlation. One of the things that we could talk about is, remember the R value, right? The R value is going to be closer to 1. Here, your R value is going to be closer to like 0.5. Because if it's close to 0, that's that negative correlation. So if your R value, your correlation coefficient, is close to 0, that's because it's a negative correlation. All right, that is scatter plots. The one last thing is we did discuss actually creating a line of best fit. I'm not going to make you do that, but just remember that it's a thing. You can draw the line that estimates the trend, especially if it's a strong correlation, and we call that a line of best fit. But hopefully this was coming back as I was going over it, and you're feeling okay about it. If you don't, ask questions, okay?